Here at Landmark Surfaces, we strive to make every customer happy. The process usually begins by starting at one of our 3 warehouses and showrooms, Chantilly, Alexandria, and Fredericksburg. After a customer has met with one of our professional sales team to pick out their slab, we have a team of professionals who use high-tech equipment to go to the customer's house, measure the countertops, discuss any overhangs or problems that they may encounter during the install. Once our measure is complete, we then go through a very thorough layout process. Pictures are taken of the slabs. They are done all in CAD. At that point, the customer will have options to view their stones, view their layouts, and see exactly what they're being cut before they ever actually do the installation. At that point, their product will be shipped by our professional installers and installed. If they need to have old countertops removed, they will have time to do that as well. And from there, hopefully they have a beautiful product which they are pleased with.